Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling precise location and granting the app permissions. This ensures live updates. Next, open the navigation app and enter your destination so the route can calculate. Choose vehicle, public transit, or walking mode depending on how you travel. That sets speed and road choices. Once done, confirm the suggested route and tap Start. You should see live position on the map and an ETA. Make sure your phone has sufficient battery or a charger connected before you move. Once navigation runs, monitor live traffic and accept reroutes when congestion appears. Reroutes save time by avoiding slow segments. You should enable voice guidance and lane assist so you get audible turns and lane information without staring at the screen. Also turn on speed limit and camera alerts if available for safer driving. If you prefer, toggle avoid tolls or highways to match your preferences. Make adjustments before long segments. When you change lanes or miss a turn, the system recalculates immediately. You finish by tapping end or stop when you reach the destination, and optionally clear recent routes for privacy. If the live position drifts or navigation loses signal, first toggle airplane mode or restart location services. If that fails, reboot the app or device to require satellites. Make sure the app and offline maps are updated to avoid incorrect routing. Updates fix map errors and traffic feeds. If problems persist, switch to an alternate navigation app as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.